outcomes, like what you can expect out of this course. So once you go through this course, you will understand the high level picture about big data technologies. You will get holistic view, architectural view about big data technologies that we are discussing. Primarily, it will be around Hadoop, Spark, Kafka, NiFi. So these areas. Apart from that, you will get clarity how to build end-to-end data pipelines, data lake. So you are getting this thing clear in your mind, like which technology fits where. Apart from that, you will be gaining good insights into big data ecosystem, specifically speaking, HDFS. You will be learning about the commands and everything, and then you will get high level architecture of HDFS and how HDFS is different from small file system. And then you will also be looking into how does distributed processing works using MapReduce, and then we will see what is distributed operating system Yarn and how does it work, how can we run Spark job on Yarn. Apart from that, we will also be looking into how to perform data analysis using Hive, and then we will be working with HBase database for storing data, for retrieving data, and for operational use cases, how HBase can be utilized. Then we will be looking into Impala architecture, and then we will move on to Scoop. How do we retrieve data from relational database and put it into HDFS in various formats? So we will also be covering Avro data format, and then we will be working on Spark and performing an exercise using Spark on Jupyter environment. Apart from that, we will be working with Kafka producer consumer console, and then we will move towards building flows using NiFi. So you will find lot of interesting hands-on exercises are there along with lot of theory in this course. So I am very much excited that you will be learning so many things in short period of time during the entire course. So if you have anything in your mind, feel free to reach out, but this is what you are going to achieve after doing this course.